3.
Very good evening once again to all the viewers. Carrying on with the summer interview report, we have the next group with us. The team members are Raj Gopal Singh and Adil Kool. I please ask the team to take over.
Uh, Good evening, sir. A very good
Good
evening,
evening.
warm
Very
good
good
evening to
evening. Very good evening.
you. Sir, first of all, thank you so much for giving us today this opportunity to speak to you on this live stream. And in our recent meetings, as we have discussed about the progress on the website as well as on the web portal, we have done some of the changes as you have suggested us. We have added a welcome page, and we have also tried to link up a backup database for all the groups. And now I would ask Adil to share his screen so we could share you some of the progress that we have decided to do upon this thing.
Great.
Good evening, sir.
Let me tell you, your project is one of the very important project, because it will be bringing and it will be creating the kind of the ecosystem which is required for creativity and innovation across the various platforms. And this is going to be the most important part in future, because in India, lot many people are doing great job. They are working in an isolated platform. They are doing wonderful job. If we could really bring them together, we would be in position to synergize our efforts in a unidirection. And as we are having a big picture, if everyone will become the part of the big picture, it will become the transformation of the country. With the kind of the ecosystem we are having now, in the form of the Jan Dhan Yojana, in the form of Swachh Bharat, in the form of Digital India, in the form of Making India, and now with the renewed vigor and energy of 20,000 lakh crore, which has been recently announced by Honorable Prime Minister, that for the Atmanirbhar Bharat. So with your portal, we would be in position to synergize that energy, and we would be in position to make dream of our Honorable Prime Minister true by not only creating Atmanirbhar Bharat, but creating a Samarth Bharat. दुनिया जो है भारत की तरफ देखेगी नाउ अगेन, वो वैदिक पीरियड में नहीं, आधुनिक पीरियड में पूरी दुनिया जो है वो इंडिया की तरफ देखेगी. And we will not be talking of the treatment, we will not be talking of this and that, we will be talking of healthy, positive, creative India. With this opening note, I will request Raj Gopal to please go ahead and give your proper briefing, because this is a review meeting in which we would like to review your progress. Very recently we had been together. I remember on the occasion of the Eid, we were together and we were reviewing it jointly. Now it is a time that, Adil, I hope you have enjoyed your Eid very nicely. We are looking forward possibly from you. Now I hand it over to you to please go ahead, and we will be having a patience to really talk more about the principles. And at the back end, I would like that all of our friends, those who are listening, they should make their value addition through the comments. Our Adam team is there, which is precipitating those comments, and those comments will be available right in streaming in panel. So those comments would be available for the larger benefit. I am very sure this review will be very meaningful. We have decided that we will go for this kind of the review in an open platform, so that let others should know what we are thinking. And it is not that when everything will be पक्के तैयार हो जाएगा तब हम पहुंचेंगे. मेरे ख्याल से लोगों को उसके पहले ही हम आइडिया हो जाएगा कि हम लोग जो है क्या सोच रहे हैं, और अच्छे लोग हम लोगों से ऑलरेडी जुड़ जाएंगे, एंड हम एक स्ट्रॉन्ग भारत का निर्माण कर पाएंगे. With a bigger picture, I can see strong Bharat, Samarth Bharat in making. We will make it happen.
Yes, sir. Sir, thank you so much for your inspiring words. And before starting, I would like to share that we keep on reviewing our literature as you have asked us to do that, to review the literature and look at the examples, various examples throughout the world. And the one of which you suggested was Israel. And also doing this literature analysis, I went through the book of Peter Thiel, which was Zero to One, sir. And I would, as we talk of the principle, can I share my, sir, some of my viewpoints towards this project, sir? Uh, sir.
Sure.
So, in his book, first of all, I'll introduce Peter Thiel to you guys. Peter Thiel was the investor of Facebook, SpaceX, and of he's also the co-founder of PayPal in his time in 1999. So we all can agree upon this that he's a very successful and a very prominent person to refer to when it comes to startup. So after reading his book, I've got his very easy theory is, sir, that there are two kinds of work. There are just two kinds of work. One is 0 to 1, which is innovating something, which is technology, and rest is 1 to infinity, which is recreating the done work. Like we are going to add up. So now someone created a website of grocery, which was Amazon. Now throughout the world it is being copied. So that is 1 to infinity. But creating the first website is 0 to 1. That is what Peter Thiel says. And that is the same is the motto for us. It is not to go from 1 to infinity, it is to go from 0 to 1, to be the first ones. As Mahatma Gandhi said, India should be the first and the last country. So similarly, in the same fashion, sir, I would our portal focuses on taking things from 0 to 1, uh, and in this process of going from 0 to 1, uh, in this process of going from 0 to 1, one very common thing I will also explain this to my all the viewers, that going from 0 to 1 is technology, which is creating innovation, and from 1 to n is globalization. So basically, something happened in America, something happened in Silicon Valley, we try to copy it. Technology is a miracle in the hands of human. No other species on the earth is using this miracle. Only the humans have the right to use this miracle for their purpose, sir. So when we are blessed to have this miracle in our hand, why don't we try to why don't we use this in a better manner? And one more thing which Peter Thiel said in his book was, if the miracle can happen in Silicon Valley, why can't it happen anywhere on the place on the earth? So in taking his words and ideas in the mind, we have thought of improving this portal, keep on improving this portal. And I would also like to share that uh, there are 3 organizations currently which are going to be partner for this web portal, which is called Research Knights. There are going to be 3 partners, which is three partners, and their name are Indian Meteorological Department of the Government of India's Meteorological Department. They are going to give us few projects for them, and there are going to be few interns from Meerut University who will be joining them over the research interns. And there might be CIMMYT, which is one of the sister organizations of UN for Agriculture. And coming to the last, we might have people from ex portal of government of Passport Authority of India to come and join hands and do more work on research and securing of their systems. And we will be having these 3 partners on our portal very soon. And there will be a short
Great.
discussion between our mentors, and they will be soon releasing an official statement regarding this. Now, I would ask Adil to present the his part of the work, which is the front end part. Please, Adil, you may take over the presentation.
Adil, can you please
Yes,
face
sir.
some illumination so that I think your face will be better illuminated. Some
So,
orientation would be helpful in improving your picture.
1 second, sir. One
If,
second.
if it is convenient to you, please do that. I think that kind of little modification will have the better impact. And meanwhile, Rajgopal, I would like to appreciate you for your very informative details. And it is a matter of great satisfaction that we have not yet launched our portal, but yes, now it's better. Still, the people they have started coming. I am very sure all like-minded people, we will be together and we will be transforming our country, and this is going to happen.
Yes, sir. So, sir, good evening, sir. Thank you for giving us this opportunity. So now, as Raj said, I would like to show you what we worked on. So,
Please go ahead. Adil, please go ahead. And let me say that it is now much better. You are better. I mean,
yes, I
visibility
switched
is
on.
much better. Yeah. Good.
Okay, sir. So, sir, first we have the login page. Okay, for this is for the existing users, and this is the registration page, which is for the new users. So what happens is, sir, as you had told us in our last meeting that we should come up with a welcome page, which we have, but due to some emergency, my teammate is in the hospital right now. So once he'll join back in half an hour. So once he's with us, he'll present the welcome page. So this registration page, when it is
Welcome page need a vibrant page. At the moment, Johanna, it is really looking very dull.
yes, sir,
So
the
my
welcome page is
observation
ready.
that let there be there's something called web page designing. So make it vibrant, make it attractive.
Yes, sir.
The moment somebody comes on that page, it should give lot of information. Whatever your input or you are, I mean, asking for the ID, password, and those kind of the things. I mean, that should be somewhere in a small portion. Larger portion should be dedicated to give that larger information. Even some information should be available openly. So welcome page should not be just ID and password.
No, yes, sir.
Even
That's what our
even
teammate
if
has
the
made
person
it.
is not getting, if the person is not getting entry, some information should flow to him.
Yes, sir. As you
So
had
this
told
first
us,
page
sir.
has to be reattempted.
Yes, sir. We have made the page. It's with my teammate, but he's not here right now. So
No,
this
no
is
issue,
the
no issue. No,
yes,
absolutely
sir.
no issue. Please go
Sorry,
ahead.
sir.
Yeah.
So, sir, just a minute. I will share my screen. So, sir, this is for the new users. This will be the second page after the welcome page. So, once you enter your ID and password, so I'll just log in right now. So, for example, test.com, and I logged in. So, sir, this will be our web page. So, this is the front page, and then when you scroll down,
I'm not in position to see your laptop, Joanna. That is not visible. So please upload. Let your page should be visible to us. Share your screen. That will
so
happen.
it's not. Yes,
You
sir, I
just
shared
share
my
your
screen.
Sandeep,
I
please bring
request
that
Sandeep, please, can you
presentation on my
intervene?
screen. Please bring the presentation on a screen, streaming in. Yeah, great.
Yes, sir. Is my video
Great.
visible?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So, sir, this is our front page, research nights. And then when you click this mouse button, we can go down. And then we come to the about page. So this about page will basically tell you what this portal is about. Right now, we have added plain text.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Yes,
Research
sir.
night is a looks like little novice. Can we make it a little more direct? Let it be properly understood by a layman.
Like, sir, I mean, we would like your suggestion if you don't mind.
Something like say innovators, creator, then research night. I mean, so that it should be a little more direct. It is not
Okay,
the
sir,
research
sure.
alone. It is an innovation. Research
Sure,
sometimes it disconnect with the reality. Research should be a direct connection with the reality, and it has to be pushed into the action on the real time basis.
Yes, sir.
At present, research and the ground delivery, it is a totally two disconnected thing.
Yes, sir.
We are
Okay, sir,
having
we'll
a number
change
of
again.
the researches which are piling up in the library, and nobody is getting any benefit for it. So our page, this page should not talk only the research. It should talk about the innovation, creativity, and how the benefits should flow directly to the public. There should be stress that we are not only interested in research, we are interested in applied research. And
Yes,
we
sir.
intend to put that research into the use by tomorrow. So whatever
Yes.
we will be completing by 15th of the June, on the 16th June, can we put it for the public use? So we intend to inaugurate your page on the 15th of June itself. Be ready for that. And
Yes, sir.
it should not look this like this research night and that kind of the things. I will say, make it little more appealing and make it more applied. As I have
Okay, sir.
suggested
Sure,
that you
sir.
can say innovator, creator, this, that. So make it little more flowery, more catchy, more direct, so that it should be more appealing.
Okay, sir.
Is
So
that
we'll
is
change
that
the name as per your
is that
suggestion.
okay with you?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Because
Okay.
anyone should understand what our website is basically.
Yes.
So yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for the suggestion. So, sir, then we go for about our project. So this is basically some text we have added, which we will modify in the future, and this will tell us about our portal, what we do, what we offer, and what is the benefit of having this portal. So basically, as we had discussed in our last meeting, that many paper recitations are not available online. So, for example, now Raj comes up with a research paper, but he cannot present it because generally to publish a research paper, you need recitations, and recitations happen generally offline, where a panel of experts come and they listen to your research paper and then they judge you, and you're awarded if your research paper is up to the mark. So that's why during, for example, now this pandemic has hit us, and sir, we are all stuck in lockdown. So this time, many people come up with ideas because of free time, and so this portal will help them publish their ideas, and then experts like you and ex-IAS officers can come discuss together and sir present a solution so that the idea can be put up. And sir, one more thing, sir, this portal is not only for very big, famous researchers. It's for small researchers. For example, I have a laptop. How can I use that laptop to help agriculture? So those are small kinds of researches which can come in the big picture. So that is what we need to focus on. So this is the about page we have, and then we have added our values. This is our mission, what our portal tries to do, and what are the benefits of having this portal. So increase in research will then we can have this best mentor session where you and other famous mentors will be helping our researchers, junior researchers, to come up with new ideas, and then we can have crowdfunding, sir, like donations, and certified profiles will be those who are having PhD in something, who want to come to our portal as a researcher or as a mentor or a guide, and these are our benefits. Now, sir, we have added some sayings, that is portfolio, what our users say after we have given them our portal. So for now, we have just given sample text like Bazinga and all this. And then, sir, we have the contact page. So this contact page is basically if someone has a doubt or anything, they can contact us by entering their name, email, and comment, and then we can get back to them within 24 hours. Right, sir? Sir?
Adel, please continue. I think he's hearing to us.
Okay, so this is the contact page, and then we have provided this website with our number and our Think Tank Rich India email ID, and also, so we have to add more, what do you call, social accounts, which my teammate has already added, but due to emergency is not here. And sir, for the login password and credential, I will share with you one more screen. So once the person enters their login
The
credentials,
screen is not visible. Adil, the screen is not visible. I guess you
visible?
need to ask Sandeep. Sandeep, please help with the screen.
Is my screen visible now?
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. So
Still
this
not.
is the second login page. So what happens is
Your screen is still not visible, Adil, please.
it's showing shared already. Sandeep,
Sir, is the screen visible to you?
I'm not in position to hear anything.
hello, sir. Our audio is not coming.
I guess there is some connection issue.
Yes, sir.
Hello, hello, hello. Am I audible?
So you are audible.
Yes,
Yes, sir,
you're
you are audible.
You're
You're
audible.
clear, very, very clear.
I'm not in position to hear any one of you.
Sir, am I audible to you, sir?
Wait, I'll check. Wait.
Hello, hello.
Hello, sir. Can you hear us? Hello.
Can you hear us, sir? Sir, are we audible?
Some connection. Hello.
Sir, are we audible? Sir, are we audible? I guess we are not audible. Sir.
Raj, are you audible?
Yeah, you are audible, Adil. I can listen to you. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Sir can't hear us.
Sir, are we audible to you? Sir, can you listen? Can you hear us? Hello, sir. Sir, no, you are not audible.
I am not in position to hear any one of you. Adil, you please switch on your microphone. It is switch off.
Hello, sir.
Sir, can,
Sir, no, it
now
is on. Can you hear us, sir?
sir, can you hear us?
Something
Sandeep?
seems to be wrong on my side, I feel.
Yes, sir. Because me and Raj can hear, but he can't hear us.
Adil, are you able to hear me?
Sandeep, should we
Yeah.
जो है, what should be done? Because I am not in position to hear anything. If I will not hear, then how I will be reacting to it? I mean, that's the problem. What I am doing, I am leaving and then I will come back.
Yes, sir.
Okay?